drive a rear-wheel drive car in a blizzard. Because right now, the snow is deep as hell. And I've been driving this thing in the blizzard. It's on all seasons. You see the tread pattern. But it's on the best all seasons you can use. But I'm gonna show you. As long as you know how to drive, you're not a puss cake. You could drive any car in the winter. Yep, okay. I'm gonna show you that. I don't know. Almost got, well, I didn't almost get stuck there, but just had to get a little momentum. Sliding a little bit, but well, I'm not sliding a little bit, I'm sliding a lot. But I'm still moving. That's the key. So I'm on the Continental Extreme Contact DWS 06 Plus, I think it's called, but they're all season, so they could be used in the snow, but they won't be the greatest in the snow. Yeah, it'd be better with winter tires, but I just wanted to use these tires up, and I didn't expect it to be a blizzard today, but it is. So I think the only thing wrong with this these tires is just like taking off. It's very it's doable. It's just take more effort. Oh, you're just gonna be sliding a lot more. Oh god, what is this? Kind of. There's some Brampton activities right there. Bear Brampton activities right there. But this car has an LSD, so that's what's helping me mostly with the traction. Both wheels in the back are spinning together instead of one wheel having power. If it wasn't for that, I don't think it'd be. I'd make sure I had to have winters on here. And usually, I know I said in a past video that anybody that uses all seasons are dumbasses or something, or they don't care. I guess I fall into that category now, but key to driving manual in the winter is to take off, you start in second gear and just ride the clutch. That's what you have to do to get traction, so the wheel spin is slower. roads haven't been plowed really. Second gear, yeah, I may be twisting a little bit, but just have to go slow. Yeah, that Challenger is stuck. Uphills are the scariest. There's some Nissan van over there that I don't know how, but they ran off the road and got stuck on the island there. I really don't know how, but I think maybe people around me seeing me drive this car, they probably think I'm crazy for driving it, but which I wouldn't blame them, because it is kind of ballsy driving this kind of car in the winter. Not everybody can do it. Only certain I want to say top 5% people. I'm not trying to, you know, I'm not trying to, like, you know, show off or nothing, but oh, fuck. I couldn't make that lane change. I don't know, this guy is kind of approaching too fast. But no, he saw me, freaking loser. Just the snow's kind of piling up there. just the lane changes very slow, you know. Oh shit. That, sir, is how you drive a rear-wheel drive car. It wasn't baby food, but it was a little bit of struggle, but still made it. Still, would I do it again? Yes. Yeah. Anyways.